And other than Asia market, we're going to be focusing on the US market as well. As you can see, before we're going to share with the US market, the S&P 500 fell to snap its longest streak of gains in 20 years on Monday as investors assess US President Donald Trump's latest tariff announcement ahead of the Federal Reserve monetary policy decision later this week. On Sunday, Trump announced a 100% tariff on movies produced outside the US, but provided no details on how such levy would be implemented.
Since Trump announced his first round of tariffs on April 2nd, with the S&P 500 initially dropping nearly 15%, only to stabilize and climb for the last 9 straight sessions, its longest streak since 2004. On Monday, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said Trump's tariff, tax cut and deregulation agenda will work together to drive long-term investment to the US, adding markets could overcome any short-term turbulence.
So I think the market today is mostly reflecting the big news from Warren Buffett over the weekend. And we see that in Berkshire Hathaway stock, and the rest of the market is just sort of finding its footing for the week. So big news that Warren Buffett plans to step down. And as we said that we see it in the stock itself, it is a big message across the markets and across Wall Street for such an oracle to be planning an exit.
According to preliminary data, the S&P 500 lost 35.47 points, or 0.62%, to end at 5,651.20 points, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 138.72 points, or 0.73%, to 17,839.01. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 102.10 points, or 0.25%, to 41,215.33.